Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Kung maganda ka, number 1 ka. Aanuhin niyo pong marijuana at bukay at shabu. Sa akin pa lang po, sabog ka na. Original, Miss Binibini, Karen Montecillo. Nag-iiwan pa po ako ng isang kasabihan. Kung ganda at talino at talento lang po ang paglalabanan. Kayong mga nasa likod, tapusin na po natin ang laban. Thank you so much. Judges, may mark number.
Dahil maganda po ako, kaunta. Sexy po ako, kaunta. Palakpakan naman po kayo, kaunta. Dagdagan niyo pa po, kaunta. At hiyawan, kaunta. Salamat po, kaunta. My Victoria's Secret attire that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by Victoria's Secret Fashion Show 2018, University of Pink. Ako po, si Summer Jane Corpus, batang-bata, fresh, na fresh, only 18 years old stunner, all the way last from the Manila's northeast edge, Santa Mesa, Manila. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, the controversial, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Jake Cuenca, ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Chi Filomeno. Chi Filomeno na nagsasabing noon ang mga babae tinitignan dahil magaganda. Ngayon, ang mga magaganda tinitignan kung tunay na mga babae. Thank you so much, Caloocan City, and enjoy the show. Let love, peace, and understanding rise all above us. Healing for everyone. Thank you.
Number 2.
You fit in the wing to the flag to the sky, never down, maybe check my stars. Truth is I wasn't trying to meet nobody.
Sa layo pa ko ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang masagabong palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Hep hep! Hooray! Maraming salamat po. Hi, hello, and mabuhay. This is Rona May White, 21 years old stunner, all the way from the fishing capital of the Philippines. Yes, Navotas City. Tonight, this is the pageant. Please do allow me standing by the name. Opo, ako nga po ang kakapanalo lang na Miss Universe. Sabay-sabay ho nating hiyawan at palakpakan Miss Binibining Atisa Manalo. Kawangis, di ba? Oo, tama. Maraming salamat po. This is Rona May White, number 3 saying, mahirap pong magpakalalaki kung hindi ka po tunay na lalaki. Mahirap pong magpakababae kung hindi ka ho tunay na babae. Mas lalo pong mahirap magpakabakla kung kaming mismong mga bakla ay hindi nyo matanggap. Maraming salamat po.
People of Caloocan, hi! Hello! Hep hep! Hooray! Saan ka punta? Road trip! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag na pintas, kenaragsak na rabi kadatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges, ma'am, sir, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. I am hailing all the way from the far, far away land, the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. I am currently taking my bachelor's degree in tourism management in one of the most prestigious universities in our province, the Fenmayupang College of Urdaneta. And for this evening, allow me to introduce myself. I am ML Venus Tukay. And naniniwala po ako sa mga kasabihang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ng antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal, kaligayahan na handa nating ibigay sa ating kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, for this evening, I may only be your one and only Ilocana beauty queen to compete on the stage. But allow me to stay until the end, and I will give you a lasting show you'll definitely remember. And for this evening, I am very much proud and dignified to wear an authentic costume inspired by the 1999 Victoria's Secret fashion show worn by world star model Adriana Lima. Mga kaibigan, tagaktak man ng pawis, mainit man ang panahon, hindi alintana. Dahil ngayong gabi, sabay-sabay tayong magdiriwang, maging masaya, at uuwi na merong naipintang magandang alaala sa ating mga puso at isipan. Marami pong salamat.
Wala ho bang lakpakan dyan? At wala din ho bang iyawan dyan? At wala din ho bang pa-boyfriend dyan? Joke lang ho.
Tonight is not just a competition, but this is a celebration of beauty, talent, and inclusivity. That is why we united here not just to showcase our beauty or our beautiful body, but we unite here just because we have advocacy. And my advocacy is to promote equitable, inclusive, quality education, kaya naman sa bawat kabataan dyan. Ako, ikaw, tayo, mag-aral ka habang may nagpapaaral pa. Dahil lagi nating pakakatandaan ang edukasyon, ang naiisang bagay na kailanman hindi makukuha sa'yo ng iba. What a glamorous, spectacular evening to everyone. A girl is standing here in front of your naked eyes, say fresh, and indeed innocent, 16-year-old stunner. We're currently taking humanities and social sciences at Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. But tonight, this is a competition. My name is Heaven Pumawan, 16 years old. But tonight, allow me to carry the image of our Binibining Pilipinas International 2023. Sabay-sabay ho nating palakpakan ng nag-iisang kawangis ni Miss Nicole Borromeo. Miss Nicole Borromeo nag-iwan ng isang paalala na kami pong mga parte ng LGBTQIA+ community ay nanghihingi lamang ho ng respeto at pagmamahal, kaya naman sa mga susunod hong kandidata na gustong magbigay ng entertainment sa mga tao, pasintabi lamang ho. Huwag na huwag ho tayong gagamit ng mga bastos na kataga dahil gusto ho natin maging mabuting ehemplo at kailanman hindi maging negatibo. Miss Nicole Borromeo nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihan na bago mo sundin ang tibok ng puso mo, sundin mo muna ang sigaw ng mama mo. That's all. Good evening.
Bella, Bonita, Magnifica, Estefanda, Carrie, Diasa, guwapa at maganda. No matter which way you say it, it only means one thing. And we are beautiful. A glorious evening to each and everyone, hailing all the way from the shoe capital of the Philippines and the biggest shoes of the world, Marikina City. My name is Dimple Tan, a proud sonner of the famous University of the Scholar, Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Hit the cap, bachelor's in advertising and public relations. But tonight, allow me to stand by this beautiful evening, your one and only, ang babaeng tinatawag na ate girl sa It's Showtime. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan ang may tunay na kawangis na artista, Binibining Jackie, ate girl Gonzaga. Na nagsasabing, don't judge a person by his or her physicality, nor by his sexuality, because on a stage of individuality, a person is worth determined by his or her capability and ability. Once again, I'm your angel warrior from Marikina City, Dimple Tan. Thank you.
Once again, Mistress
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that many has been part of history, but only few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle in this public display, we, transgenders, bend history. And that will be forever our story. Mayo pabenging ake kayungan, or should I say, what a pleasant evening. Ladies and gentlemen, my real name is Isumi Quinones, but tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel board of educators, ma'am, sir, and to all audience tonight, allow me to tantalize myself into a little bit of sexy, a little bit of hot, glamorous, elite, beauty queen. I am one of your FHM body, Miss Iwa Moto. Yagaghikan sampiyang pulong-pulungan, tinuod naman daya, YouTubong paray ka na tsaka matabawakan, representing from the home of the generous people of Tondo, Manila. I am only 18 years old contender na nag-iiwan ng tatlong masarap sa mundo. Una, pagkain. Pangalawa, pera. Pangatlo, ako. Kung hindi kayo naniniwala sa pangatlo, text nyo ako pag walang tao sa bahay nyo. 0929-622-4427. Minute is saying I love you all po. Thank you so much.
In this world full of sobrang Latina, allow me to be your dalagang Filipina. To become what you are is to become of what you are capable of becoming. Is the secret of a happy life. For every living soul has its own talent, perseverance, and wit. So never be afraid. Just be yourself. I am Luis Sikat, 19, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, from my beloved university, Universidad de Manila. And I am very proud to say that I am one of the transgender sangguniang kabataan of my community, Barangay 293 Binondo, Manila. And tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image of your one and only, ang artista na, vlogger pa, Miss Alex Gonzaga. I-check niyo pa. Miss Alex Gonzaga, who strongly advocate and to inspire that each and every one of us, that regardless of our sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression, we should always choose to be the truest representation of ourselves and never be afraid to show it to the world. Good evening.
Right before you waste your kisses on me. Green on fresh boy got me tripping. How your skin is so soft. How your kisses so sweet. How you know just better. Green on fresh boy got me tripping. On the accent of your lips. Under the Paris twilight.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala rin po bang pwedeng jawain dyan? Charot lamang po. Good evening, people of Caloocan. This is Paula Shiv, 17 years old as stunner. Yes, young and fresh. All the way from Pasig City. Ngayong gabi, bakit hindi nyo hayaang hiramin ang tunay na kawangis ni Miss Kim Domingo? Kim Domingo na nagsasabing marijuana, laro. Gumamit ka man ng marijuana, cocaine, o shabu. Kung sa'kin pa lamang, sabog ka na. Good evening.
Again, give a round of applause for Miss Traxman.
Kisses always hit, how you know just that. Green light, rich boy got me tripping. There is twilight, kiss me. Out in the moonlit park, kiss me. Under the Paris twilight. Pilipinas.
Wala man lang bang palakpakan dyan? Wala man lang bang hiyawan dyan? Thank you. Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and he will live forever. Walang glamorous spectacular evening to everybody. A girl who was naked in your eyes, a fresh and did innocent. 21 years old, this stunner who is graduating in the AMA University with a course of Humanities and Social Science. Nasa inyong harapan po ang nag-iisang business owner sa umaga, call center agent sa gabi. Your one and only, Miss Sean Elise Alamo. And tonight, since this is a pageant, distinguished panel, board of judges, please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang kauna-unang humawak ng brilyante ng lupa sa palabas na Encantadia. Bakti po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan na nag-iisang Lila Sari. Tunay na kawangis, Miss Diana Subiri Smith. Miss Diana Subiri Smith po na nagsasabing, para sa lahat ng kalalakihan na naririto, imbis na mambabae kayo, mamakla na lamang po kayo. Dahil, kuya, kapag nambabae ka, liligawan mo, ide-date mo, tiyak, gagastos ka. Mapapangasawa mo, obligasyon mong bumili ng diaper at gatas ng anak nyo. Tiyak, gagastos ka. Kaya kuya, dito ka na lang sa aming mga bakla, hihiga ka lang. Iuunat ang dalawang paa. Ipipikit ang dalawang mata. Paggising mo, kuya, may 5K ka na, may iPhone 16 Pro Max ka pa. Sobs! Kuyang nakaitim sa likuran. Ipakilala mo lang ako sa pamilya mo. Bubuhayin natin sila. May SSS ka na, may pag-ibig ka pa. At syempre, itatoda na natin ang ating blessing. Hindi pa po ubos ang aking savings. Makakalimutan ko ba naman, kuya, may NMAX ka pa. Joke lamang po. Once again, this is your candidate number 10 saying, ang tunay na costume dapat babae lang. Thank you.
Once again, Miss Dance Queen, candidate number 10.
Sa kwento ng iyong buhay at saksi ang buong bansa. Oh la la la, come on let me hear you say it out loud. 'Cause I love it when my name slips out your mouth. Love it when your eyes caress my body. Right before you lace your kisses on me. Green eyes, fresh boy, got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. Now your kisses always hit. Now you know just
Good evening. Each and every candidate wants to be remarkable. And for I may not be the most beautiful, no largest or biggest national costume for tonight, but I strongly believe that simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. What a glamorous, spectacular evening to each and everyone, and to our honorable panel board of judges, ma'am, sir, and to the people who is watching tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a fresh and innocent. I am 16 years old stunner who hails all the way from your hometown. My hometown, Happy Fiesta, May Paho, Caloocan City. By the way, this is Cheska Kagulang, but tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of your Miss One and Only. One of the most beautiful faces in showbiz industry. Why don't you clap your hands? Because tonight, I am your binibining Bella Padilla. Bella Padilla always believed that wearing a national costume is not how big or small your costume was, but wearing a national costume is how you deliver and give justice to your costume. Dahil naniniwala po ako na wala sa laki, wala sa ganda, asa pagdadala. Judges, mark my number, because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. I love you all.